Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In my last video, I have shown how to install Terraform in Ubuntu machine. So in this video, I will show you how to create a VPC in AWS. So here is my AWS console. I will go to the VPC and show you that what are the VPCs available in my account. So go to the VPC management console. VPC dashboard. We can see number of VPCs is only 1. Subnets is 6. Route table is 1. Internet gateway is 1. And then DHCP of sunset is 1. So I have only one VPC. If you go to the VPC, you can see that only one VPC is available. Okay, so I'll create a VPC using the Terraform. So go to the Ubuntu machine in the AWS. Now create a directory called new VPC. Okay, go inside new VPC. So you can see there is no file inside the directory. You can create a file called main.tf. So .tf is the extension for Terraform, and we can create variable.tf. Currently I will be using only main.tf, not using any variable in this demo. So I will open main.tf. Now start editing. Okay, so first we will start from provider. What will be my provider? It will be AWS. Then start curly bracket, and inside this block we have to mention region. So in which region we want to create the VPC. Suppose I am taking US East 1 region, North Virginia region. Okay, the second is like access underscore key. We have to create a IAM role and then give the access key and secret key here. Okay, now go to the AWS console, go to IAM, how to create a IAM user. I think I already have one video on that. You can go through my previous videos for creating how to create a IAM user. So go to the user in the IAM console, add user, give your name for the IAM user, VPC, suppose IAM. Okay, select access key, programmatic access, then go to permissions, attach existing policy directly, give administrator access. Okay, and then just put like VPC IAM as a tag and then review. and create the user. So while creating the user, we will get this download.csv file. Download that file. So here you can see we get the access key and the secret key. This is this will be shown only once, so we must download this CSV file so that we can have the access key and secret key for later use. Copy the access key and then paste it here. Okay. Access key here, paste it, and then secret key. Go to the secret key and then copy this one, okay, and paste it in the secret key section. Okay, now next we have to take the module. What is the module name? So I'm using Terraform module. So we have some Terraform inbuilt modules, so we can use them to create VPC. So module VPC. So source will be, you can see this one, Terraform AWS Module VPC. Take up to here, okay, and then paste it here. Remove this slash, okay. Then next is name of the VPC. So I'm giving like my first VPC. You can use underscore also in between. Yeah. Now to create a VPC, we need CIDR. So classless IP addresses, okay. So for this we need 10.0.0.0/16. I'm taking CIDR range as 10.0 to 0.0/16, okay. Then next is, what are the availability zones? So for that we have to use AZS, availability zones. So in which availability zones I will create the VPC. So in that, if you are not sure about the AWS availability zones, you can go to the console, go to the EC2 console, and then here you can see zones. Go to the zones, go to the bottom, you can see availability zones. So we have these availability zones in US East 1, 1A, 1B, 1C, okay. Let's take this one and then paste it here, comma, separated, and 1B I want to create here in 1B. Then next will be taking like 1C. Now try 1C, okay. Next is like what we required, private subnet, private subnets So here I use 10.0.1.0/24, and the next will be I am using 1, then 2, then next is sorry 3, 10.0.3.0/24. These are the private subnets I am using, and then public subnet, public underscore subnet is equal to use the square bracket, then 10.0.101.0/24. Then next I will use 102. Next I will use 103. So to calculate this CID range and this public subnet and private subnets, you can go through the documentation, and a lot of videos are available also. You can go through them once. So okay, now what else we required? We required like enable net gateway, net underscore gateway. Just give true, enable net gateway. Then after that you can use tags. So in tags section you can use like Terraform true, and then like environment. Suppose it's a dev environment. Okay, that's it. Let's check it once again. Writer AWS, region, access key, secret key, model, source, name, CID range, exit as, then environment gateway. Okay, that's all. Then save it. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to key Terraform init to initialize the Terraform. Okay, so it will go and update init modules, whatever modules we are using. We are using the AWS module, and then now Terraform. So here what we have edited is not properly formatted. You can see we are not using indentations properly. We are not using the syntax in a proper way. To do that, using Terraform, we have a command called Terraform Format. So it will format the main the Terraform script. You can see all indentations are now proper. Syntax is now in position. Earlier we were not using properly, so now it is showing properly. Okay, now next is Terraform validate. So it will validate the script. Let's see, Terraform validate, which is showing success. The configuration is valid. So now we can go and create the resources. Before that, another one command, Terraform plan, is there. So if we want to check what are the resources it will create before applying the Terraform script, we can check Terraform plan. So it will show what are the resources it will create. It is showing like 28 resources it will create, but it is not yet created. Okay, just it is showing. So this is the plan, and this plan will be applied. If we want to apply clear the screen, we can use Terraform apply command. So it will ask the user input, do you want to perform this action? If we give yes, it will go and create the resources, but now I don't want to create, so give no. So apply is cancelled. You can see apply is cancelled. Now I will again use Terraform apply and with a flag called auto approve. So if we use this auto approve, it will not go and ask any user input. It will directly start creating the resources in the AWS. As you can see, it is creating VPC, creating route table, creating the subnet, creating the net gateway. It is not trying to create the net gateway. So it's still creating. It will take time, like 2 to 3 minutes it will take. Wait for some time. So it's still creating. Okay, let's see, creation complete after 1 millisecond, 1 minute and 34 seconds. Okay, another one is creating. Okay, you see, apply complete, resource 28 is created and 0 sent, 0 destroyed. Now go to the AWS console, go to the VPC. You can see VPC is now showing 2, subnet is 12, route table is 6, before it was 1, internet gateway 2. Now go to the VPC. See, my first VPC is created. The CID range is same we have used in the script. Subnets, as you can see, these are the subnets created, public and private subnets. Okay, then route table, it has created route table. These are the route tables created, public, private. for my first VPC. Then internet gateway also created. You see my first VPC. Then suppose net gateways. So these are the net gateways created using that Terraform script. Suppose now we want to delete all these resources we have created using Terraform. So what we have to do? So we have two VPCs, subnets is 12, route table is 6. So we want to delete the VPC we have created. We want to delete the subnets that we have created using the script. So what we can do in that case? Go to the Terraform instance. Now check for this Terraform TF state file. So this is the file which is keeping all the records of the resources created using the Terraform. So if we'll delete this one, it will not able to find the resources we have created using this script. So we must have to maintain this Terraform TF state somewhere like S3 bucket or maybe in a safe location. So now we want to destroy all the resources that we have created. So use Terraform destroy command. Destroy -auto approve. If we give Terraform destroy auto approve, this will go and find the Terraform TF state file, and according to that, whatever resources we have created, this will go and destroy one by one in the same sequence that has been created. You can see this now destroying. It will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. This is trying to destroy the AWS net gateway. Now, okay, the extraction complete. The net gateway 0.1 is completed. The other one is left. Okay, 2 is also completed. Okay, you can see now destroy is complete. The whole lot of resources we have created was 28 numbers, and all the resources are now destroyed. Now go to the AWS console, go to the VPC dashboard or refresh the console. You can see like VPC 1, subnet 6, route table 1, internet gateway 1. So all the resources that has been created using the Terraform file is now deleted. See, only one VPC is available now. Okay, so this is how we can destroy and create resources in AWS using Terraform. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share and give your good feedback. Thank you.